Hi guys, so you've started a new module. This is the start of your year 11 topics. First one of them is P2, Physics 2. The topic's called Forces of Motion, and what I've drawn out is a planner. What I'd like you to do is to either print this off or copy this into your book so that you can keep a track of where you are. I've got you guys till let me get this right, the 24th of June. So all the work that now goes into Google Classroom is by me. A quick overview. We're going to start with speed and velocity. Quite a bit of it you'll know from year 9, but there's some new parts in there. We're going to learn 2 equations for the acceleration. We're then going to look at graphing speed and acceleration. And again, there's bits in there you've done before, so none of this will be completely fresh to you. Newton's 3 laws of motion, pretty basic and easy. Then we're going to have one lesson on practice questions. We're going to then do a required practical. Don't know how that's going to work out yet, but I'll figure it out. And we're going to have calculating forces from vectors. So we're going to be drawing lots of arrows on graph paper if we can get hands on it. Next, little experiment on weight, mass and gravity, and God knows you've done that enough. Then we do work done, which again you've done once in year 10 already, so that'll be a doddle. We've then got 2 lessons on the force extension, and you've touched on this a little bit. You've done Hooke's law in year 9, so again this won't all be brand new to you, but I'm going to break it up into 2 sections and spread it out over the week because there's quite a lot to it, but it's easy marks. Then we're going to do free fall and terminal velocity, about what's going on when you fall out of a plane. Stopping distance, about how we split that between thinking distance and braking. Conservation of momentum, about why things in motion want to keep moving. And finally, the pressure equation and the pressure in the atmosphere. And that covers it all. So it doesn't look like much. Depends on how hard you work. How I'd like all my lessons to go. First of all, print a copy of this list. You know exactly what you've done. You can tick them off because you'll get confused very quickly. Next, you should have a revision guide. I will post a revision guide again. I'll make sure it's on here. It will be in fact, let me check it's there now. If we come out of this and we get off my son's work a minute, we should be able to see it's already saved. RW 10 Jupiter. There you guys are. Under classwork, it may be at the bottom. It is not. That will be up there soon. These are my lessons, all scheduled in, ready to go, starting tomorrow, 13th of May. And then they're going to be dropping in quite regularly. Your job is to keep up. If you miss one, go back, pick it up, carry on. If you get completely overwhelmed, get the headings in. Even if you get a few sentences in, it's better than nothing. I've got a son in year 9 and I know exactly what it's like when you can get a bit overwhelmed. And at any point, if you're having any problems at all, you contact me and you tell me. Don't sit there feeling sorry for yourself. You know, I understand stuff happens. So let me know. About handing in, I want to keep a record of people who are doing the work. I've had a look through your group and at the moment it's not looking great. On average about 8 to 10 people handing stuff in. I want everybody to show me that they've done something. So most of the time it's a photograph of what you've written in your book, not of you. Ugh. Or if you've done it in a Google document, it's not a doc as in D-O-C-K, get rid of that. If you've done it in a Google document or a PowerPoint, attach it and then add it and submit it. Don't just click on it, you've got to hand it in. I'll be collecting all 14 bits of work and I'll be keeping tabs on it all. So even if it's just a little bit, I just need to know you're looking and you're having a go. And like I said, if you get in trouble, let me know. Alright, don't sit there thinking it's not fair. So that's the introduction. I'm going to stop there. The next one to go up is going to be the lesson 1, speed and velocity. So I'm going to stop at this point and then start the next video. Bye.